But I heard In Death a couple days ago, and this was also randomly suggested to me on Spotify, and I was like, I need to hear this whole EP immediately. This song was so good that it also might go in my top songs of the year, just off of the one listen I had. I've listened to it like maybe twice since then, and it keeps getting better. So I definitely have to check this whole EP out. But yeah, there's only 6 songs on here. It's 17, almost 18 minutes, and I think this is just going to be insane. I think I found it the same night as Traveler. Spotify was on another level that night. I don't know what happened, but they were suggesting me so much stuff, man. But yeah, let's get into this. First song theme, Just Like Loathe. Already sounds like Loathe. What the hell? But I've never heard of these guys before. But this song was so good. Really cool artwork. This is literally like Loathe, the song theme from Loathe. It's really pretty. Oh my god. That intro had me so relaxed. That 2010s vocal production hits so much. Very nostalgic. Beautiful tapping, very ANIMATE. Spotify knew what I liked that night. They were suggesting so much cool shit. God, I love the vocals. Great atmosphere, man. Drums sound great. Got that tapping in the background. Yeah, I have a video for the Counterparts album up on my channel, man. Oh. Oh my god. It reminds me of so many bands that I love, man. Oh. Oh my god. Very petroglyphs. Currents again. Oh, wow. They do sound like Adrian, yeah. It was reminding me of someone, and that's definitely who it was. Oh my god, dude, honestly, that song might be better than In Death. And In Death blew me away. I heard that and I was like, I have to check out the whole thing. That might be better. Alright. I don't know though, this song, the guitar, the tapping. Nah, this song's better. God, the vocals really remind me of someone else too. Adrian for sure, but... This is a gorgeous song. I can't wait to hear the other 3 songs on here. I'd call this progressive metalcore. There's some like post-hardcore-ish things about it. No, it's probably progressive metalcore. That's what I call ANIMATE and Currents, and you know those Above Below, Petroglyphs, those bands. Whoa. Oh my god. I don't remember that. Oh my god. How do I not remember that part? Did I black out when I heard it? It was just that good. I removed it from my memory. Yeah, that really sounds like Adrian, man. Oh. That hits so much harder with headphones, man. I only heard this in the car. God damn. What a crazy song, man. Shit, this is better. I was about to say I haven't heard If I Were You. I've heard of the band, but I don't think I've listened to them. I have 3 like songs. Oh, yeah. I recognize these album arts. I probably heard these a long time ago. 2023, January, February, March 2023. Yeah, I don't remember those. Damn, this... Holy shit. Alright, we got, what, 3 more songs left I haven't heard yet? I'm super excited for these. right after this, man. Do you have to leave? I'll have the video out. I don't think it'll get blocked. Oh, what is that synth? Menacing. I hear it. Beautiful cleans. I do hear Chris Motionless in his mids for sure, yeah. You're getting a little different on this song with some electronics. Oh. That song was way different. Beautiful out. The second half of that song was great. I'm gonna have to re-listen to that though. Yeah, I know. I know. That's really sad, man. Really sad. I got to see Void of Vision twice at least. And they were incredible. Oh my god. I thought they were just starting, you know? They were just starting to get real big. Ooh. Where is the closure? Oh, that's like straight up Animate though. Like a little too similar, you know? That's Void of Vision. I mean, that's Void Suffering. Holy shit. Not Void of Vision. That's ooh, I'm throwing. Let's move on. This is literally Void surfacing off Heaven. Dude, yeah. I mean, it's even more technical than Void Suffering. It's surfacing. Void surfacing. I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna stop talking. Oh, beautiful though. I love the cleans. God, I love this band. love the cleans right there, man. It sounds so good. Really pretty song. Oh, shit. Alright, let's see how they end this. Oh my god, what a good song, though. Evergreen, in death, bearing time, buying time. I apparently can't talk or read today. That is beautiful. Beautiful chorus. What a nice way to end this, man. Can it get really heavy at the end, or is it just gonna... Either way, I'm happy. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. I never would have found this band if Spotify didn't show it. And they showed me this single version. It was such a random... It's almost a year old. It was such a random song to show me. That was so good. Yeah, this had elements from... It's very ANIMATE, but I hear a lot of other, like... Petroglyphs, Old North Lane. There's a lot going on here that I love it. I really do. I feel this came out in June, but I really feel like this is a really nice like fall winter time album. You know what I mean? Just this genre makes me think of that time of year, I guess. I don't know. I'm weird, but this was really good, man. I'm really glad I checked this out. I would have checked out. I would have checked it out on my own time, but I felt like the In Death was so good that I had to do it on the channel. Like I need, like this band has not that many. I mean, they're not like super small. They have hundreds of thousands of listens on quite a few songs. I want to listen to what is this Rebirth, their 2021 album. This would be really cool. I like the artwork. But I think more people need to talk about these guys because I don't see them anywhere. I've never heard anyone talk about this band. So, yeah,